Triple Jeopardy show. This right here is my artist statement, and then I'll be doing like a talk later on in the show when more people arrive. But the show Triple Jeopardy is about what it's like to live in Triple Jeopardy. The term was coined by several researchers as what it's like to live within the three demographics: being a woman, being a person of color, and being LGBTQ. And I qualify all of those demographics, so I live in Triple Jeopardy. This is a drawing I did in 2017 titled Hell, and I did this as my final senior project. It won Best of Show 2 years ago in the Durango jury competition in 2017. It's 52 by 36 inches, and it is done entirely in ink on paper. And this is another large drawing I did, not as big as Hell, but it's called Yaiso, and it's also done on ink on paper. And this was done with inspiration from the Dene traditions, in which the Monster Slayer twins take on the monsters terrorizing the Dene, or the people, during early times. So this is my rendition of that battle. Another part of this series is the Mask series, in which they personify different emotions. So this one is Shy. Hey, hi Gemma, I'm doing the live stream, but you can walk around, I don't mind. So this one is called Shy, and I was trying to evoke the feeling of armor while doing this piece. All of these pieces are completely wearable, by the way. The next one is called Hate, and I found the materials through finding them, and this one is supposed to exemplify hate, negative feelings. So you can see it's made out of knitting needles and razor blades and a plastic hockey mask. Next one is a surreal self-portrait, also made out of found materials, using cardboard, cloth, polyfill, or cardboard, fake fur. And it's also a 3D piece in that I painted on the wall. The next one is the modern day Saint series. So there's 5 drawings in all, and each of them are supposed to be an issue that modern women deal with, especially women living in Triple Jeopardy. The first one is Our Lady of Self-Mutilation. All of them have flowers associated with what they've gone through. Hopefully I will be making posters of each of these drawings. Next one is Our Lady of Self-Satisfaction. This one's a rose. Then Our Lady of Self-Actualization, and it's lilies. Next one is Our Lady of Self-Affirmation, and she has gladiolas. And then the final one is Our Lady of Self-Emancipation with tulips. All these drawings roughly took 4 to 5 days. And then I did an installation piece at the gallery titled Hunting. And it's acrylic on glass. But it's supposed to show what it's like to be living in a modern day world as a woman living in Triple Jeopardy. A forest full of trees with eyes watching you while there's countless wolves. And there's the food. And then we have the other masks. And this one is Jealousy, made out of cardboard and ribbon. The next one is Happy, and this is a scarf that's often used in traditional Danette wear, and then I made kind of like a headdress that goes over your eyes, and it's made of flowers. And then the next one is Love, and then I kind of wanted to show feelings of like how love can be hard, but it can also be soft. It's kind of like a protective mask with ribbons over it. And And I would say that these are all of the pieces in this current show. Hey Kelly, how are you doing?
I'm doing very well.
How's the food?
I'm enjoying the food.
Good.
I'm enjoying the monsters.
Kelly also got me flowers. I will try to get a video of those unless they were already seen.
They have vessels.
Yeah, it's a gothic bouquet.
You cannot stick your face in it or else it's going to poke you.
I already tried to sniff it and it poked my nose.
Kayla didn't learn?
I didn't learn. But I'm also going to show the piece that I did for the Pride show, which is also having a soft opening. Oh, there's my grandma. How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
Okay, good. You're on live television. No, I'm just joking. Oh, hey, Miss Vlada.
Oh my gosh.
Hi.
Oh, we know you guys.
Yeah. Yeah.
Are you?
Doing pretty well. Give you guys all hands.
How are you?
Do you remember me, Deborah?
What are you up to?
Hey, I'm doing a live stream right now, but I can edit this part out. It's fine. It's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Nice to see you. Thank you for coming by.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you. I'm proud of myself too. I'm also kind of nervous.
Well, that's
Yeah.
par for the course.
Mhm.
How are you, Miss Smart?
I'm fine.
You remember me? I'm,
Yes.
Okay.
I remember.
Yeah.
You're pretty memorable.
Hung out at the dorm and
Yeah,
whatever.
the height. Yeah, so it just started, and then also this small gallery in here is the Pride show, and then one of my pieces is over here too, and then I'm also sharing the gallery with another artist, so half of it is mine and the half of it is hers.
Oh, that's really impressive.
Yeah, and then there's food in there and alcohol, but you have to pay for it.
What? No free alcohol?
Yeah, no.
That's
Sad.
okay.
You have to pay for it. Yeah. Yeah, but this
Do
one
you
is
get the money?
I got it on Iridium. It's
No,
pretty
I
nice.
mean, do you get the money for the alcohol?
Oh,
No.
no. It just goes to the gallery.
I know, I'm just teasing.
Oh, okay.
Should have charged him a commission.
I know. Just bring my own alcohol. Oh, so this piece is called Sapphic Beauty and the Beast, and it's kind of like my take on the traditional Beauty and the Beast story, and I kind of wanted to go for a Sapphic point of view. So, and then I also wanted to include other cultures as well. So kind of like the eponymous Beauty, she's wearing a Korean hanbok, which is traditional wear in their culture.
What is that?
Yeah.
Which part of it is that?
Oh, this part right here. The
The-
sleeves and the ribbon.
Well,
The entire outfit is traditional wear in Korea.
in Korea.
Yeah. And then the
You
beast.
are you big into the Korean pop thing, like
Oh, K-pop.
K-pop?
Kind of, but not as much as other people.
I follow Kersey, you know Kersey.
Oh, yeah.
Sandoval and
She's really
those
into
guys.
it.
Yeah, they're way. Well, wait. Did she marry a guy from China?
She
I think
might
her name
have.
was Kersey Sandoval Zhao. C-H-A-O. Do you know Kelly?
Cersei Sandwell, yes.
Here's some other pieces in the Pride show as well.
Yeah,
Does she live over there?
she lives over there now.
Okay, well.
I'll be walking
I
around,
never
guys.
You know, I see her post.